Hi everyone! Check out these tips and tricks on how to tidy up the edges of your herringbone half double crochet project. A sample swatch for the herringbone half double crochet here shows that the pattern produces an overall angled appearance and a jagged edge. One way to make the edges appear neater is by blocking. Blocking helps the crochet stitches in your project stand out, appear neater and retain its correct size and shape. Another way is to alter a stitch. Let's create a swatch for our herringbone half double crochet. For this sample swatch, begin with a slip knot and chain 16. Skip 2 chains and herringbone half double crochet on the next chain, leaving the last chain unworked. Yarn over. Insert hook into the designated stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop into the chain and through the first loop, yarn over and draw up a loop through the 2 remaining loops on your hook. Continue leaving the last chain unworked. Upon reaching the last chain, substitute your herringbone half double crochet stitch with a half double crochet stitch. A barely visible switch which makes the edges appear neater. Turn your work, row 2, chain 2. Skip a stitch and herringbone half double crochet into the next stitch, working through the row, leaving the last stitch unworked. Half double crochet into the last stitch in the row. Continue replacing the last stitch in the row with a half double crochet stitch. The edges with the altered stitch now appears less jagged compared to the swatch with the unaltered stitch. You can also neaten up the edges of your crochet project using borders or edgings. Use basic crochet stitches or decorative ones to create a neater edge for your project. Don't forget to click on the subscribe, like or share buttons, or leave a comment below. Until the next video. Thank you for watching and happy crocheting!